Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 330D M Sport X-Drive Shadow Edition. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black kidney girls, M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter which is in gloss black and really makes this car stand out. Now we also have the side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser which adds to the M Sport styling kit. Now we do have the four superb 20-inch alloy wheels in black which really do look incredible. We also have the M Sport brake calipers just hanging behind there as well. Now we do have the M badging on either wing, on either side as well. We also have the black window trim, black wing mirrors and also privacy glass on the rear. Now we also have the shark fin antenna just up there as well. And there's a look at another incredible alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera. Again, there's a look at that rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330D X-Drive M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to find the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it is going straight and true. Now we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply push the button at the bottom, use the dial to push up or down, and then it'll go to nearest miles an hour. Now to go up by 1, push up very slightly, and then to go up by 5, push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then it'll adjust to nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply push the button twice or tap the brake, push the button, and then it will then cancel. Now at the roundabout, taking left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. Now we can put the gears into manual mode by using the paddle shift. So I'm going to take over now. So I'm currently in 3rd, up to 4th, into 5th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over by just letting go. You can also put the car into M and S, so meaning manual mode and sport mode, by pushing the gear stick to the left, and then it'll go into M and S. And push back to the middle, and then it'll go back into normal driving mode. Now I do have very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, which are extremely comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now we also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Now we do have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have rear reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors and also different drive modes. So this car really does come very well equipped. Now we also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers which do sound absolutely incredible as well. Now here at RS Car Sales we are a 5-star dealer with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now we do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to follow us and subscribe on either platform just to stay up to date with everything RS Car Sales and see if we get into any new stock in that takes your fancy. But right now I'm going to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brake will work exactly how you'd expect it to. And so the rear reversing camera. So pulling in now, emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, there's no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for anyone wanting knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. If you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.